How to find latest arrival designer figurines in Pop Mart. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser. Now search for Pop Mart. Head over to popmart.com. Now log into your account. Here, you want to click on the option of New and Featured, then select All Products. Now from the left hand side panel, find the option of Category. Check the box that says Designer Figurines. All of the designer figurines will appear over here. Now, if you want to check the latest arrivals, you want to click on the Sort By option. Now, from this drop-down, select Latest Arrival. Now, you can easily find all the latest arrival designer figurines over here. Click on it to view more details. If you want to purchase it, add it on your bag. And in this way, you can find latest arrival designer figurines in Pop Mart. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.